Hi, everyone. Thanks for inviting me for this evening. My name is Yaron. I'm the founder and CEO of Pulsar Connect. The idea for Pulsar came in my last job before that, where I was heading the global group of Moody's for ratings of asset managers and investment funds. So the idea, we believe that Pulsar has the potential to transform institutional asset management by being the first global marketplace for asset managers and institutional investors. It's a multi-billion market, which is essentially how asset managers today are doing their marketing and distribution. They're paying a lot for doing that. We believe that this could be completely transformed. We're currently launching beta. We have already several dozens of beta clients, including some big names. And we're launching again our funding round. We're looking for about €500,000 for that, mostly in order to accelerate our development and hire a lot of sales and marketing people, which is really needed according to the feedback we are getting. So Pulsar is a global platform, and as part of our logo is to collaborate, connect, and invest. So you can see on the right-hand side of this slide the illustration of the network that is created among institutional investors, which are very diverse types of institutions, from insurance to corporate treasurers to investment banks, of course, pension funds, family office, sovereign wealth funds, as well as foundations and endowments. All of those start already to collaborate as well as look for information, again, on the platform. Whereas on the left-hand side, you will see the asset manager sides where they propose anything from plain vanilla funds to products that are more complex, private equity, hedge funds, as well as real estate projects, startups, and essentially any investment opportunity globally. We also, so the right side basically would connect to opportunities of investment, would connect among themselves, enable them to collaborate in the context of potential investments, getting more information, and getting access to investments that today they're not aware of. In addition, it allows third-party providers. We already have several types of partners on the platform, like accounting firms that provide back-office services for fund providers, like event organizers, like big data companies, as well as companies providing software, again, for analysis of risk and algorithms. All of those providing services to companies registered on the platform, either on the institutional side or on the asset management side. And obviously, the platform is getting a cut, again, for those services. You can see here, again, some of the logos of our beta clients. You would see some big names, like Allianz or AXA, as well as some mid-size managers. We're very proud to have very strong interest, again, by both asset managers and institutional investors. The institutional investors, this is just a few logos just to see the diversity. We have anything from the University of Texas to a family office in Singapore to the largest pension fund in Sweden, another family office in Spain, Zurich Financial, etc. So we have very great diversity, again, of institutional investors already at the beta stage without doing really much marketing. And in terms of the business model, it's subscription-based. We believe most of the revenue would be generated again from the asset managers, which is logical. Again, they are the ones selling, again, their services and products on the platform. It would be freemium for the investor community, so any institutional investor can join for free and get some premium services for which they would pay extra. But essentially, the access is free for investors. Big data would be, again, subscription to either registered users as well as outside the platform. So you don't need to be on the platform in order to buy the big data for tag words or for trends that are being analyzed on the platform. And finally, the partnerships that I mentioned, again, that would provide services, again, to users and will get a cut, again, on those services. So we, as I mentioned, again, we are currently in advanced stages, actually, of our funding round, looking for €500,000. The team already invested $150,000. I think it's important. Maybe I should say a word about the team. So we are 5 people. 3 of us are full-time, combining, again, serial entrepreneurs. Florian, who is the CTO, again, was the co-founder and CTO of FunShop. If anyone knows, again, it's a French robo-advisor, so he's very familiar with the field, and was before that a consultant with Accenture and Capgemini, so he has both strategic and technology side. Edouard, who is the product manager, again, was already a founder of the first online service in France in the late 90s, did already an exit. and forward joined again Fortuneo in France again, and worked on as their online manager for services, and then worked with several asset managers. So has also experience from the field as well as from the startup again of online services. We are going to use the money in order to develop the product, keep on enhancing it, as well as establish a very strong sales team all across the world. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer again during the drinks. Thank you.